Last sessions, we had a very clear discussion about mastering structured output format, how we are going to write structured output format. Next, structured versus unstructured, how we are going to use these kind of tool in our AI prompts, and even the notes generator prompt also I explained. Even I have given one template so for generating the notes, like you can see, act as an experienced teacher, generate a student notes for the so and so topic. What things should be there, a clear structured format, and the rules what we have to follow, and the output. So which information we should not include in that result. So like that, even we covered some examples also. So today we are going to talk about the another topic as a part of this prompt engineering course. So encoding instructions inside prompt. So whenever you are writing a prompt, how you are going to encode the instructions? See, there are around some 3 to 4 conclusions I'm going to explain. So conclusion number 1. What is the first conclusion here is AI follows the written instructions. Not your instruction. So whatever you are feeling, so you have to write in which format, instruction format. AI is going to understand only that instruction, not your mindset. Okay, so AI cannot read your mind. So AI follows what you have written. Whatever instructions that you have written, it will follow that. Suppose if you are missing any instruction, by mistake I did provide that, then what AI is going to give? I already told AI always is going to guess. Let me explain one example prompt by including this. So act as a beginner, friendly teacher. Have you observed? Role. Explain Python loops. Explain Python loops in simple English. Whatever instructions that you have written, based on that, AI is going to understand what is your requirement. Based on that, it is going to give the response. Okay. So now just let me execute this prompt and let us check what output we are going to get. Now you can see. So what is the instruction that we have given? My AI model should act like a friendly teacher. So what is looping concept in Python? Just it is demonstrated with some daily life example. Why we need all these things, it is going to demonstrate. Clear? Please confirm. Clear? Yes. So yes. Now let's go for conclusion number 2. What is the second conclusion here is, sir, the instruction order decides output quality. Sir, is the instruction order, is it mandatory? Yes. Order is very important. In which order we are writing? So based on that, sometimes results may vary. So remember carefully, the order is very important. Okay. So means early instructions set the direction. Okay, suppose if you are right, if you take the same thing, first assume that I'm going to write this first line in the middle. Sir, what is the meaning of this? I am asking my AI model to explain looping concept in Python. So after that, I'm asking act as a friendly teacher. Sir, first you have to mention the role, like how my AI model should think. Then only you have to ask the concept. Sir, here the order is missing, right? You should not write like this. So early instructions are going to set the direction. And remember, the role and the task should come first. So whenever you are writing any prompt, first role and the task should come. After that, remaining things. So suppose if you are writing any conflicting instructions, then what will happen? You are going to confuse your AI model. Conflict instructions will confuse AI model. So remember, you should not give like this. Okay. Now let me give. So act as interview coach. Act as interview coach. Explain SQL joins. Output in 5 bullet points only. Sir, is it properly maintaining the order? Yes. First, I am giving the role, then I am giving the task, and then output. So, if you are not giving in a proper order, what will happen? So, we are going to get different kind of output. And sometimes it will make the confusion for AI model also. So, let's run this code and check. Observe carefully. Just in a simple terminology, it is defining what is a join in SQL. Sir, when you're writing the prompt, these conclusions you should have. What is the first thing? So AI is not going to read your mind. So whatever there in your mind, compulsory you have to write in the form of instructions only. What is the second conclusion? Sir, the order is very very important. In that order also, first role and then task, remaining things should come after this. Sir, any doubt in these two conclusions? Please confirm.
No doubt at all.
So coming to the conclusion 3. Coming to the conclusion 3. So what is the conclusion 3 is missing audience. Sir, if we are not giving to whom we need, then what will happen? Our AI will always give generic answer. Missing format. Sir, I am not giving any format. Then, sir, unwanted paragraph you make it. So missing control. Missing control. So what is the meaning of these? Too many outputs you get. Too many outputs, sir. What you need, that clearly you have to mention. By including this, let me take one example. So you have to tell answer for my questions. Act as a software trainer. Act as a software trainer. Explain Java for 10th class student. Explain Java for 10th class student. Give exactly 3 bullet points. Give exactly 3 bullet points. Do not add extra text like this I'm giving. Now, sir, who is the audience here? 10th class student. Sir, if the format is there, yes, exactly 3 bullet points. So even I have given a control that you should not add any extra information. And what is the role? Software trainer. So what is the context? Explain Java. Like that. Just already we know about this. Just as a part of this topic, I'm concluding with some points. Have you observed? In only 3 points, just it has given the answer. Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, clear.
So these are three important conclusions which you should have. Can I go for next?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Sir, when you are writing the prompts, when you are writing the prompts, um, a small words in the prompt is going to give a big change in the output. Is my statement is correct? When you are writing a prompt, if I include any one word, so maybe the meaningful word or something like that, sir, is it going to change the entire output? Please confirm. Here, small words change a big output. Is the statement is correct?
No.
I will give you one
Yes, yes,
example. I will
yes,
give you
yes.
one
Because
example. Suppose
by
if I
using,
am asking, bring
Mhm,
vegetables. Is there any clarity in this statement? Sir, vegetable means what? What we need?
mhm,
Maybe some 4 to 5 different types of vegetables. Each item, how many kgs? We have not mentioned. Suppose if I am giving, sir, bring only onions. Sir, is there any clarity? Because the word only indicates you required only onions. Clear? Clear.
Yes.
So assume that I need only onion. Can I write like this? Bring only onions. Do not bring anything else. This one also we covered in earlier class. Do not add anything. Sir, is it also a prompt or not? Please confirm. Sir, can I write like this? Bring exactly 1 kg onions. Can I write like this? Please confirm, everyone.
mhm. Yeah.
Clear? Yeah, just a second, friends. Please wait. Yeah. Sir, is this statement meaning? I think now you got the clarity. Any questions, friends? Please confirm. Clear? If you are clear, just I will take some examples and conclusions. Clear? Please confirm, friends. So conclusion number one. Sir, small control words is going to change big output. Small words is going to change a big result. For example, if you take the word called only, can I say it will always restrict? It will always restrict output. It will always restrict output. Sir, bring vegetables. Bring only onions means we are giving a clarity that we need only that. Sir, am I restricting the output or? Yes. Sir, what is the meaning of exactly? Exactly is going to fix the count. How many you need? How many you need? It is going to fix exactly two, exactly three, like that. And sir, do not steps extra content. Extra content. Sir, is extra content is required or not? You can skip by using which word? Do not. So I hope these three words are going to play an important role in the prompt. Let me take one simple example. What is the example I am taking is explain. explain AI. So give only bullet points. Bullet points. Sir, give only bullet points. Clear, friends? So what I am giving here, I want the output should be only in bullet points. We are restricting. Sir, clear up to this first conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Next. So conclusion number 2. What is the second conclusion here is, sir, I can say precision. Precision prompting gives the control. How many we need, what rules and regulations it has to follow. Okay. So that means what? Clear rules is going to reduce guessing. If you are not providing a proper rule, AI is going to guess and give the answer that we can restrict. And output becomes consistent. Okay. And less confusion will be there for AI model. For AI model, you can reduce the confusion. So let me take some example. Listen carefully this prompt very well. Sir, act as AI trainer. Act as a AI trainer. Role is what? AI trainer. Explain prompt engineering. Explain prompt engineering for beginners. The task is also very clear. And give exactly how many points? 5 points. And do not add any explanation for those points. Okay. Sir, you can see we have given a clear rules, right? In this prompt, which are rules? Exactly 5 points. And please do not add any explanation. This is also one conclusion what we have. Clear?
Yes, this is clear.
Right. So one more last conclusion is there. So conclusion number 3. What is this third conclusion? Please be on mute. Casual prompt. Casual prompt create random answers. In the beginning days only, we have seen this kind of prompts. Okay. Suppose if I am asking, explain this topic. Sir, is it a clear instruction? It is unclear instruction. So AI is going to take freedom and it is going to vary the output from model to model, from chart to chart. It may give different output. So precision means what? What mindset? Engineering mindset. Sir, casual means what? Just chatting. Just chatting. That's all. So let me give one example for this. Let me take one example. Act as a software engineer. Act as a software engineer. So explain SQL for beginners. SQL for beginners. So please use simple English and output must be a table. Sir, here you can see, sir, explain SQL for beginners. Am I writing any rules and regulations or not? Yes. Sir, my output should be always in which format? Table format. Sir, clear? Please confirm.
Yes, yes, this is clear.
Right. And when you are writing the prompts, sometimes ambiguity also will happen. What is the meaning of ambiguity? For example, if you are asking any question, sir, maybe two or three answers you may get for that question. So such a type of state is called as what? Ambiguity. Let us see what ambiguity problems we will face while writing the prompts. What ambiguity problems? In this also, I will explain the conclusion part. Sir, ambiguity means unclear instruction. Yes, your instruction is unclear. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Multiple meanings are possible. Multiple meanings are possible. Missing details, missing details creates confusion. If you are not providing a proper details, then definitely it will confuse. And AI must reply. So what it is going to do? It will guess and it will give the answer. Best example for this prompt. So maybe if I am running this prompt, it may give correct result. But let me generalize this. Explain cloud. Sir, what is this cloud? Is it cloud computing? Okay, or is it something related to the clouds? So what you need? So AI cannot understand, right? Let me try by executing this code and check what answers it is going to give. Maybe because we are continuously talking about the technical thing, right? That's why it is asking about the cloud computing. So we can't give guarantee, right? Because the ambiguity problem. What is this cloud? Like that. Clear. So second conclusion. What is the second conclusion? Is, sir, clear prompts. Clear prompts remove randomness. If you are giving a clear prompt, it will remove the guesses by AI and it will give the clarity for the output. So means how to write these kind of things. First you have to add audience. First you have to add audience. Then you need to add the purpose, that is task. And you need to add the format. In addition to that, provide some constraints also. Like that. Best example for this clear prompt. Act as cloud expert. Continuation for the previous. Explain cloud computing, cloud computing for non-technicals, for non-technical students. So as usual, use simple English and give one daily life example. Like this I am asking. Let us see. Have you observed? Imagine you need a water supply at home. Instead of building your own water tank and maintaining it, you can simply turn the tap and use as much as water you need. The water company stores, manages, and delivers the water for you. Cloud computing works the same. Instead of buying and maintaining your own computers and storage, you can use computing service over the internet whenever you need them, and the cloud provider takes care of everything behind the scenes. Have you observed what is our previous output? So now what is our output? Sir, are you seeing? Is there any change? Yes. If you are giving a clear prompt, it will write like this. Clear? Clear?
Yeah, this one is okay.
Now, so the last conclusion number three. Sir, under specified prompts, so it may generate mistakes also. It may generate mistakes also. Okay. So what kind of mistakes AI prompt is going to do? Suppose missing level. Sir, is it a beginner or advanced? Okay, or pro? If you are not providing, sir, even if you are not providing the format. So a prompt is something like a mistake, right? Of course, definitely it will give response, but it is unclear. So what AI is going to do? AI is going to guess. It will choose its own assumptions and it will provide the result. In this case also, confusion will be there. That is ambiguity. Sir, it may not match your requirement. Okay. let me take one example for this by including all these. So act as experienced technical person. So now I am setting a role, act as experienced technical person. And I want to create a resume. I want to create a resume for Python fresher. Sir, can you please use only 5 bullet points and add some 2 projects into that? Sir, everything is clear here, right? Let us run and check. So career objective, technical skills, project, 2 projects it is added, education, strength, like that. If you are adding, do not add any extra text. Even this message also we can read. So that kind of customizations and all we can see. Okay. So this is nothing but ambiguity problems. Sir, whenever you are writing any prompt, make sure that you should not confuse your AI model. If you confuse your AI model, it may think and it will guess in a different manner, which may not be correct for your required result. Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So the next topic, sir, from now, more focus you need to keep, because from now onwards, the topics are very, 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 very important. What is the topic is, sir, zero, zero shot. Okay, so one shot and a few short prompts. Very, very important topic in prompt engineering. Okay, the one of the main topic is nothing but RTCO, and after that this one. Sir, what is mean by zero shot prompting? What is mean by one shot prompting? And what is mean by few shot prompting? Sir, it is a very simple, sir. At very beginning only, I am giving the definition. Sir, zero shot means, what is the meaning of zero shot? Make sure in that prompt we are not giving any examples. Sir, what is mean by one shot? I am providing only one example. What is mean by few shot? More than one example. Sir, this zero, one, few are talking about the number of examples which you are giving to make the AI model to understand. Beautiful examples I will cover. If you are clear up to this, one by one I will cover. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So let me talk about zero shot, zero shot prompt. So what is mean by zero shot prompting? Sir, here we are asking directly, direct ask to the AI model. Am I giving any example? No examples. Sir, this is the most basic, this is the most basic and most used prompting style. The person who is not having any prompting knowledge, these kind of questions they are going to ask. Even in our previous examples, whatever prompts that we have written are always what? Zero shot. I'm not going to give any example. I'm not going to give any example. Sir, best example prompt for this, explain Python. Am I giving any example? No, no. Sir, when we can use, when you use zero shot prompting, sir, when we are going to use this? Sir, up to this clear? Sir, up to this clear? Sir, is the definition for zero shot prompting is it clear? So when we are using this zero shot prompting, internally what happens? Internally what happens? Sir, very simple, very important. AI is going to look your past data or past words. Sir, previous questions are there, right? It will analyze. From that, it will take. From that, it will take. So AI looks okay. Sir, please be on mute. AI uses past training data. Whatever data is there at previous charts, it will. And AI is going to predict best possible answer among those. So in zero shot prompting, when you are asking AI model about without giving any example about your requirement, then AI is going to identify what is your requirement based on your past history. Suppose if you have some 3 to 4 chart histories are there, from that it will identify the better option and it will give. So that is internally how zero shot prompt is going to work. Sir, when to use zero shot? When we have to use this zero shot? Sir, very simple, very simple. Whenever you need a quick help, okay, sir, just you are exploring a topic, that's all, not notes or not kind of thing. Okay, sir, format is does not matter. In such cases, what you can use? Zero shot. Sir, remember, zero shot prompting is always very speed and simplicity. Less number of tokens are required internally. It won't take much tokens. But if you provide one example, then it will be very good. Okay, sir, are you clear up to this?
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, small conclusion. Zero shot. Zero shot prompting is good for learning, not good for production. For production, it is not that much good. But for learning, happily we can use. Okay. So if you want examples for this, let us see. Sir, explain Java. So what is oops? Am I giving any example? No. This is called as what? Zero shot prompting. Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now, sir, can I go for one shot prompting?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So let's talk
Yes.
about sir, one shot prompting. What is mean by one shot prompting? I will take one simple example. From that, I will write some few theory points. Then we will go for examples also. Suppose even I faced these kind of scenarios. Without knowing, we are using our prompt engineering in our daily life, friends. See, few months back, I went to tailor shop to prepare one of my favorite color shirt. Okay, sir. Usually, what a tailor is going to do, he is going to take the measurements of your body and then he is going to start stitching that particular shirt for you. This is the thing which will happen generally. Correct, sir? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yeah.
now I did one superb idea I have in my mind. What is that? Is, sir, for the tailor, sir, I have given one example. One shirt I have given, sir, with same measurements. Can you prepare? Okay, can you prepare a new shirt with the cloth? Now, what happens is that a tailor is required to take measurements for you. No, because already I have given one example. So, from that example, it will analyze and it will prepare. Sir, same kind of technique we are doing in one shot prompting also. What we will do? Sir, I will give an example. Please look at that example. Based on that example, can you please give the result? Like that we are asking. Understood, friends? Is the agenda is clear?
Yes, this is clear.
Yeah. So here you will ask or you will give one example. You will give one example to AI model. Okay. Then you will ask your AI model to do same tasks. Same tasks. And in this case, AI is going to follow the same pattern, whatever is there in example, and also the style which is there in example. So that the one example is going to give direction. That one example is going to give direction to your AI model. So from provided example, AI will understand everything. Format, tone, everything it will understand. So can I take one example? Please confirm. For one shot
Yeah,
prompting. Can I go for one example? So let us
yeah,
see example one. Please listen. This is a bit important. Sir, question. What is Java? What is Java? Sir, answer. So Java is a high level object oriented programming language. Like this, I have given the answer. Sir, now I am writing the prompt. Now explain Python in same way. Sir, have you observed? For this prompt, already one example is given. Now, my AI model will analyze this example. Based on that, it will give the output. Can I please confirm?
yes,
Right. Let us run this prompt and check. Have you observed what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted object-oriented programming language. Sir, already I have given one example. Based on that, it is asking. Clear, friends?
yeah, it's clear.
Right. Example 2. Sir, this one you have to respond. What is the question here is, what is Java? Sir, first option, Java is, otherwise I will go for MCQ kind of thing. So question, what is big speciality of Java? Sir, what is the big speciality of Java? Option A, platform dependent. Option B, platform independent. Okay. So option C, procedure oriented. Option D, functional oriented. Now the answer is nothing but, what is the answer? Correct answer? Anyone? B. It is a platform independent. So what is the explanation? So Java follows write once, run anywhere. So now observe carefully. This is my example. This entire thing, whatever I typed now, is the example. Now, please listen carefully. Now, in the same style, in the same style, so please generate 5 questions on zero shot, and one shot, zero shot, one shot prompting or prompts. Sir, now you can see. So these kind of MCQs, how many MCQs I need? 5 MCQs in this particular style. Now observe carefully how my AI model is going to give response. Sir, is the concept is clear? How many examples we covered in this? I mean, how many examples we are sending in this prompt? One example. Sir, if you are clear, then I will run this prompt. Clear? Let's run this and check. Now you can. So what is zero shot prompting? Gives many examples before asking, gives one example before asking, give only the instruction without examples, gives the final answer there. Option C, explanation. What is one shot prompting? Sir, giving one example. Sir, which prompt does not include any example? Which prompt? Zero shot. Sir, which prompt type gives exactly one example to the AI? One shot. Sir, which statement is correct? Zero shot uses one example, one shot uses no example, zero shot gives only instructions, while one shot will give one example. This is correct. Of course, at a very basic level, just one line answers only, right? So that's why just I'm trying to generate some MCQs based on this. Sir, is these two examples related to the one shot prompting? Is it clear, friends?
Yes, this is clear.
So that's all about today's session. Yeah. Any questions?
Sir, I
In
need
this kind of way.
notes.
Yeah, please.
Sir, yeah, running notes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Now itself I will share. That's what I'm doing. Just give me 2 minutes time. Any other questions?